Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable notifications in Heyday. If you're tired of constant Heyday notifications, then here's how you can disable it. First of all, go ahead and open up your device's settings menu. Once you open up the device's settings option, go ahead and tap on notifications at the bottom. Under notifications, scroll through the app list and look for Heyday. Now, toggle off the button right next to allow notifications, and then this should stop notification setting from the Heyday application on your mobile device. There is also toggle for notification option in-game. You can turn off the notification option from your game for the notification that you don't want to. But this process will entirely stop any kind of push notifications from the app. And that's how you have tamed the Heyday buzz on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.